Hello, students. How are you all? I'm sure you all must have read the chapter and also have understood it better. In today's session, we will be doing question answers and some more exercises related to it. So, let us quickly take a look at it.
Answer these questions. Let us take a look at the first question. What was the boy's name? What did he ask his grandma for? Students, we read a story about a little boy whose name was Nicky. And what did he want from his grandma? He wanted a pair of white mittens. So, the correct answer will be the boy's name was Nicky. He asked his grandma for a pair of white mittens. Simple, right? So, let us take a look at the second question. Why did his grandma want him to have red mittens? Students, we know that Nicky lived in a place where there was a lot of snow, and his grandma told him if he would wear white mittens, they would get lost in the snow, as the snow is also white in color. So, the correct answer is Nicky's grandma wanted him to have red mittens because the white mittens would have got lost in the snow. Now we will take a look at the third question. What was the color of the mittens his grandma made for him? We already saw in the last question that his grandma told him that she would make him red mittens, but Nicky wanted white. So let us look at the answer. The color of the mittens which his grandma made for him was white. I'm sure that these question answers are really easy, aren't they? Let us look at some more questions. Moving on to question 4. How many animals went into the mitten? Name them. Students, we saw that many animals one by one went into the mitten so that they could be warm and comfortable. Now, in order, we will one by one name the animals that went inside the mitten. Answer is 7 animals went into the mitten. They were a mole, a rabbit, a fox, a hedgehog, an owl, a bear, and a mouse. Moving on to our last question, which is what happened when the bear sneezed? Do you remember that when the bear sneezed, all the animals flew out of the mitten and landed in their different homes? So, let us look at the right answer. When the bear sneezed, all the animals flew out of the mitten and the mitten fell near Nicky's house. Easy, right? So, students, you have to learn these question answers and revise them so that it will be easy for you to do the worksheet, and also it will help you understand the chapter better. Now we are going to take a look at some exercises. Here is an exercise which says write the names of the animals from the story. Name them in the same order as they appear in the story. So, students, we saw that there were 7 animals that went inside the mitten. Let us revise once again which animals went inside the mitten. First came the mole. After the mole came the rabbit. After the rabbit, the fox came by to go inside the mitten. Then came the hedgehog, and then came the owl. After the owl, the bear came, and then at last the mouse came, so all these animals could go inside the mitten. Again, that was really easy. Let us take a look at one more exercise. Rearrange the letters to make names of different types of homes. Students, a picture will be given to you and you have to rearrange the letters so that we can make names of different types of houses. The first one is TUH. If we rearrange it, we get a hut. Moving on, can you see this image? What do you think it would be? That's right, it is a burrow. BURROW, burrow. Moving on to the third one. Can you recognize what kind of a house is this? Correct, this is an igloo. The correct spelling is IGLOO. Next, this looks like a cave, right? So the correct spelling is CAVE, cave. And the last one is, that's very simple. It is a nest. The right spelling of nest is NEST, nest.
Once again, students, read and learn the question answers so that you can easily solve the worksheet that will be given to you. In the next session, we will be doing a grammar topic called place words or prepositions. Till then, stay at home and stay safe.